how do you associate your role of being a teacher with digitalization? Means how much importance does it hold for you, as you stream a lot on YouTube? So digitalization is one of the weapon for your success. So how will you describe that?
Digitalization.
Yes,
So
sir.
digitalization and teaching, right? So digitalization and teaching are like the two wheels of a bicycle, right? Look, so when I initially started teaching, so what do you see people around teaching with chalk and board? That was a kind of teaching. As
Yes,
far as
sir.
the aspect of digitalization comes, so this subject only, I'm very fortunate to be teaching this subject initially in my career, engineering drawing. No, I started also with teaching in on a green board through chalks using different colors and try to make sure that I can draw the best possible drawing on the board. But as time went by, I thought this is taking way more time. It's time consuming to draw each and everything on board. And literally, I can say this with full confidence that I can make any drawing of any curve, of any section, of any solid on the board. I can do that, right? Now, but that was taking some time. So I thought, and there is a very good friend of mine, Narendra Yadav, Mr. Narendra Yadav, and he taught me how to use AutoCAD. All the basics and tools he taught me. So I used to spend a lot of time with him, asking him questions that, sir, how do we need to draw an arc and stuff like that. They used to help me a lot. And that really helped me to save on time. And this was the first step towards digitization, using
Sure.
AutoCAD. I used to teach with a projector on. I used to teach using AutoCAD engineering drawing. All those projection of solids, projection of lines, all those chapters. I used to make all the drawings on AutoCAD. I can zoom in anytime I want, because when you are teaching on board, the student sitting at the back cannot see properly. Let me tell you very honestly. But when you teach via projector, and then you just need to scroll the mouse, and you can zoom in and zoom out whenever you want to, right? When two lines are very close to each other. So all of these things can be implemented quite well. This was the my first step towards digitization. Now, I this went on, and I thought, how about animating stuff? Then I started learning about PowerPoint, because whenever you do a drawing in AutoCAD, you have to repeat the entire process. So how about making a PowerPoint presentation with a certain animation? You just need to click on buttons, and automatically the drawing keeps on happening
Yes,
sequentially.
sir.
So this was the second step towards digitization, animating all the drawings. So all the drawings which I had made on AutoCAD, I somehow managed to get them animated on PowerPoint. Look, in between all of these things, teaching through AutoCAD, teaching through PowerPoint, there has been a lot of learning on my part, and my colleagues have been very good helping me in that aspect. So these were, I mean, this is my point of view as far as digitization and teaching goes. And then after that, I've learned a lot. I mean, uh, I don't know, you're a mechanical engineer, but right now you're in first year. Had you been in
Yes, sir.
second or third year, you would have understood the concept much more better. There is a subject called kinematic of machines, and mechanisms of machines. It's also called mechanisms of machines. It's a very popular subject, and there you need to deal with the velocity and acceleration analysis of linkages, mechanisms, and stuff like that. So when we used to be taught, when we were students, the teacher used to teach all of this on a board, and it was very difficult to make those drawings because it's completely graphical aspect. Once I understood the use of AutoCAD, how to use PowerPoint presentation, I made all those drawings, all those animations on PowerPoint. Again, you just need to click on buttons. I used to just click on buttons and give the commentary, and this is how I made my videos. You can also watch them on my
Yes,
channel,
ma'am.
Kinematics of
Yes, sir.
Machines. So yes, this was how I embarked on digitization.
Hello everyone, my name is Suraj Gupta. I'm teacher and founder at Trio Teachers. If you like this video, then do like, share and subscribe our channel for such educational content. Thank you so much for watching our video. Thank you.